Hi everyone and welcome to IDX3. In today's video I'll show you the easiest way to upgrade your SD card without losing any data. For this process you'll need an SD card reader with 2 slots to connect both SD cards to your PC. Depending on your reader you may need a micro SD adapter too. When it comes to SD card it can be the same size or bigger. And if you don't have everything you need, check out my Bacons page for some recommendations. Turn off your switch and remove the old SD card. Insert both SD cards into the reader, then connect it to your PC. Go to the link in the description and download PC Partition Assistant software. Now install the software you downloaded. Now launch it. Before starting, make sure which SD card is the old one and which is the new one. Now select the old one and click Clone Disk. Okay, so the old one is selected, now click Next. At this point, if you're switching to the same capacity SD card, just continue. If you're switching to a larger one, drag the slider all the way to the right, then save. If you're switching to a larger one but you have 2 partitions, go to Settings, select Fit Partitions to entire disk, then save. Okay, now let's continue. Click Confirm. Now apply, proceed, and finally click Yes. This will take some time, so I'm speeding up here. Alright, now it's time to insert the new SD card into the switch and see the results. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If so, please like, subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.